Humans are fascinating, weird, and full of surprises. You might think you know everything about your own body, but I bet these 40 crazy facts will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Did you know your brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb? That's right, about 12 to 25 watts of energy, enough to keep a small LED glowing. Ever tried to tickle yourself? It won't work. Your brain knows what's coming and cancels out the sensation before it even happens. Your stomach replaces its lining every 3 to 4 days, or else the acid inside would digest it from the inside out. As you age, your brain actually shrinks. From around age 30, it starts to lose about 5% per decade. Your bones? They aren't dry. They're wet, alive, and filled with tissue that produces blood cells. Humans actually glow in the dark. But our bioluminescence is 1,000 times too weak for the human eye to see. Unlike most body parts, your ears and nose never stop growing, thanks to expanding cartilage. Your intestines? If stretched out, they'd be longer than a bus, about 25 feet. You're taller in the morning. After sleeping all night, your spine decompresses, making you about 1 centimeter taller when you wake up. Your heart actually beats in sync with the music you listen to. So, next time you hear a slow song, notice how calm you feel. You shed about 30,000 skin cells every minute. Right now, your old skin is floating in the air around you. Your body produces 1 to 2 liters of mucus daily, and yes, most of it gets swallowed without you realizing it. Right now, tiny mites are living in your eyelashes. They feed on dead skin and are completely harmless. Some people are born with tiny tails. It's called a vestigial tail, a leftover from evolution. You can live without a stomach, spleen, 75% of your liver, 1 kidney, and even 1 lung. The human body is shockingly adaptable. Your taste buds aren't just on your tongue, they're also in your lungs and intestines. Your skin regenerates completely every 27 days, which means you get brand new skin every month. Your stomach acid is so strong, it could dissolve razor blades. Thankfully, your stomach lining protects you. See that tiny pink thing in the corner of your eye? That's a leftover from a third eyelid, like the ones birds have. Goosebumps? They're an ancient survival trick. Our ancestors used them to make their body hair stand up and appear larger to predators. Believe it or not, 8% of your DNA comes from ancient viruses that infected your ancestors millions of years ago. Some people are born with tiny holes near their ears, which are actually remnants of fish-like gills from early human evolution. Your pinky finger holds about 50% of your hand strength. Losing it would seriously weaken your grip. Your eyes can detect up to 10 million different colors. But some rare people, called tetrachromats, can see even more. Some people can actually hear their own eyeballs moving due to a rare condition called superior canal dehiscence syndrome. Your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint, nobody else has the same one. Your brain can store about 2.5 petabytes of data, that's like watching 3 million hours of TV shows without forgetting a single detail. Humans have blind spots in their vision, but your brain fills in the gaps, so you never notice. You have 206 bones in your body, but over half of them, 106, are in your hands and feet alone. Wow! The human body is full of mysteries and hidden abilities. Which of these weird facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.